guys, I'm so happy to join you virtually today. Today, we're going to work on Module 1, Lesson 2. Our goal is to use arrays to multiply. We're becoming better at multiplying every single day. And today, we're going to get even closer using a new tool. Let's keep going. Today, we're going to count forward and backward to 18. I want you to whisper, and then speak numbers, like you see in the pattern next to us. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Let's stop there and bring it down. Count to 0. 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's count to 18 forward and backward again. This time, think every other number instead of whispering. Think 3. Think 6. For example, let's start together. Think 3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 15. Oh, that's okay. Everyone makes mistakes. 18. Let's count down. 15. 12. 9. 6. 3. 0. Great job. Let's keep going. What did we just count by? We counted by 3s. Now let's count by 3s again. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Let's count down. 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 3. Let's switch to whiteboard mode. Look at this picture and tell me how many groups you see circled. We see 3 groups. How many are in each group? There are 2 in each group. Write this as an addition sentence. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals 6. Yesterday, we learned that multiplication is a more efficient form of repeated addition. Write a multiplication sentence for 3 2s equaling 6. There we go. 3 times 2 will be the same as 6. You may reset, and let's do another. Look at this picture and tell me how many groups are circled. There are 3 groups circled. How many are in each group? There are 5 in each group. Write this as an addition sentence. Remember to pause if you need extra time. 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. Write a multiplication sentence for 3 5s equals 15. 3 times 5 equals 15. Great job. You may reset. Last one. Look at this picture and tell me how many groups are boxed. There are 5 groups boxed. How many are in each group? There are 10 in each group. Write this as an addition sentence. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 equals 50. Write a multiplication sentence for 5 tens equals 50. 5 times 10 equals 50. Great job! Look at the multiplication story problem that you see at the bottom of the screen. Here we see 4 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, and there are 3 lemons in each. That's why it's a 4 times 3 equals 12, because there are 4 groups of 3. In this story problem, Jordan uses 12 all together. Compare the way that Jordan's lemons are arranged with the groups of 3s on your template. The template is displayed on the board. How do you think they are the same or different? Some of you notice that there are straight lines along the template on the board. Let's call a straight line across a row. Count one row at a time in the picture. As we count each row, notice the new total number of circles right to the right of it. Let's start. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. How many circles did you count? How many rows of 3 did we count? True or false? 10 rows of 3 circles equals 30 circles. It's true. We counted 30 circles all together. There were 10 rows of 3, so 10 times 3 is the same as 30. We call this equation, we call this type of organized picture an array. Take a look at this array. At this signal, tell me how many rectangles are in the top row, or the top part of our picture. There are 4 rectangles in the top row. At this signal, tell me how many groups of 4 are in the array. 1, 2, 3, go! There are 3 groups of 4. To write a multiplication fact, we first write the number of groups. How many groups or rows are there? There are 3 rows. And how many are in each of those rows? There are 4 in each of those rows. So we can write 3 times 4 equals 12. Because 4, 8, 12. Great job! We just found the answer to that multiplication fact that represents the array. Now we see that the first factor is 3. That tells us how many rows there are. The second factor is 4. That tells us the size of each group. Look at this array. What multiplication fact represents the array? 2 rows of 6. So we would change that into 2 times 6 equals 12. Last one. The drawing shows 3 equal groups of 5. Let's redraw this picture as an array with 3 rows of 5 on your personal board. Write a multiplication fact to describe your array. 3 times 5 equals 15. Let's skip count to double check that product. Next, we'll transition onto Google Slides for our problem set. Don't forget to complete your exit ticket on Edulastic. See you next time.